Mindset change in entrepreneurship. Embracing these changes in perspective and attitude can greatly impact one's ability to innovate and create value in the business world. With the right approach and a strong belief in oneself, anyone can foster the entrepreneurial spirit necessary to achieve success. Let's delve into the key aspects of this transformative mindset and examine how adopting these traits can set you on the path to building a thriving enterprise. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Critical thinking mindset. To thrive in today's rapidly evolving business landscape, it's a good idea to adopt a critical thinking and problem-solving mentality. This change in mindset will enable aspiring entrepreneurs to approach challenges with a fresh perspective and develop innovative solutions. By cultivating these skills, you can confidently navigate the complexities of the entrepreneurial world and build successful ventures. Number 2. Patient mindset. Developing patience plays a crucial role in shifting one's mindset towards becoming an entrepreneur. This transformative process allows anyone to adapt to various situations and navigate the complex world of business with resilience. By cultivating patience, entrepreneurs can better manage expectations and foster long-term relationships, which is essential for sustainable growth. Number 3. Hard-working mindset. In today's fast-paced business world, aspiring entrepreneurs must be prepared to work non-stop and embrace a transformative mindset. This shift in perspective is a crucial step for anyone looking to establish themselves in a competitive market. By becoming more resilient and working hard, aspiring entrepreneurs can navigate the challenges that inevitably arise while building a successful venture. Number 4. A creative mindset. This shift calls for thinking outside the box and embracing innovative ideas. By adopting a creative mindset, aspiring entrepreneurs can effectively identify opportunities within various markets and develop unique solutions to address customer needs. This way, they can build a strong foundation for their business venture and ensure a competitive edge in the ever-evolving global market. Number 5. Resilience mindset. This allows you to learn from mistakes and adapt strategies to achieve goals. This attitude fosters resilience and determination, important qualities for navigating entrepreneurship. Understanding that failure is an integral part of the journey to success can help budding entrepreneurs to stay focused on tasks and pursue their ambitions with even greater passion. Number 6. Motivated mindset. Staying self-motivated is a crucial mindset change needed to become a successful entrepreneur. In the challenging journey of building a business, one is bound to face numerous obstacles and rough patches. Possessing a strong and steady mindset will keep you focused and driven when the going gets tough. Cultivating this is essential for entrepreneurs, as it helps them navigate the uncertain and often tumultuous waters of their entrepreneurial path. Number 7. Discipline yourself. Discipline is often the cornerstone of success in any endeavor, and this is especially true for aspiring entrepreneurs. The journey of entrepreneurship is filled with setbacks and obstacles, but those who possess the tenacity to stay focused and disciplined are more likely to achieve their goals. Embracing a structured mentality not only drives success, but also instills a sense of pride and accomplishment that can propel an entrepreneur even further in their endeavors. Number 8. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. This is another mindset change needed to become an entrepreneur. Embracing uncertainty and stepping out of one's comfort zone are essential traits for those who wish to blaze their own paths in the business world. By actively seeking out challenges and learning from them, an entrepreneur can grow in both their personal and professional lives. This adaptability and courage form a strong foundation for the trials and tribulations that entrepreneurship inevitably brings. Interested in starting a business to create wealth? Click the links in our description box below. Number 9. Leadership mindset. This change in mindset that is required for entrepreneurship involves taking charge, making critical decisions, and guiding a team towards a common goal. This transformation enables professionals to harness their creative potential and navigate through the dynamic business landscape. Effective leadership skills serve as a foundation for driving innovation and fostering an environment that cultivates growth and success. Number 10. Value-driven mindset. Giving value to others is a fundamental shift in mindset that's required for anyone who wants to embrace entrepreneurship. This transformation of thought promotes a more sustainable and satisfying approach to business. By prioritizing the needs and desires of others, aspiring entrepreneurs can identify gaps in the market and develop innovative solutions to address them. Consequently, this value-driven mentality paves the way for personal growth and wealth. Number 11. Visionary mindset. This shift in thinking allows individuals to focus on their goals and understand the necessary steps they must take to achieve them. By cultivating a strong sense of purpose, aspiring entrepreneurs are able to maintain motivation and overcome obstacles that may arise throughout their journey. Ultimately, having a well-defined vision serves as the foundation for every entrepreneurial endeavor, providing direction in the decision-making process and driving the business towards success. Number 12. A growth mindset. Thinking big, being open to new ideas, and continually seeking improvement can significantly impact one's ability to turn a vision into reality. By embracing this mindset, you can adapt to change with a positive attitude. Moreover, this kind of mindset lays the foundation for the necessary resilience and determination required to achieve entrepreneurial success. Number 13. Adaptable mindset. The ability to pivot quickly when things don't go according to plan is essential for success. This mindset change is especially important for budding entrepreneurs who often face unexpected challenges as they establish their business. Allowing room for change enables entrepreneurs to adapt their strategies and seize new opportunities as they arise. By embracing this flexibility, people can enhance their entrepreneurial skills and increase their chances of achieving their goals. Number 14. Communication. Effective communication allows budding business owners to navigate workplace dynamics, foster relationships, and inspire trust from their teams and clients. Developing this mindset provides a solid foundation for transitioning into entrepreneurship, where interpersonal interactions and networking are essential for achieving success. By honing their communication abilities, aspiring entrepreneurs can prepare themselves for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in the business world. Number 15. Organized mindset. Staying organized is a crucial component in adopting the mindset needed to become a successful entrepreneur. An effective organizational mindset not only improves productivity, but also helps individuals stay focused on tasks that contributes to the growth of their businesses. Establishing a structured routine and having a clear understanding of one's goals can greatly aid potential entrepreneurs in their journey. A strong foundation in organization sets the groundwork for effective decision-making and overall business success. Number 16. Seek out mentorship. Seeking out mentorship plays a crucial role in fostering the mindset change needed to become a successful entrepreneur. This shift in mindset enables you to navigate challenges effectively and embrace learning opportunities. By surrounding yourself with experienced mentors, an aspiring entrepreneur benefits from accumulated knowledge, which aids in making well-informed decisions. Furthermore, the support and encouragement provided by mentors boost confidence, empowering entrepreneurs to keep moving in pursuit of their dreams. We recommend you watch these next 2 videos on wealth creating.